Thank you for calling Smart Action Energy. How can I help you today? You can say things like, report outage, set up or disconnect service, billing, or something else.
Report outage.
Please ensure you have checked your breaker as the outage may be specific to your house or business. I see that you're calling from 817-393-3339. Is this the number associated with your account?
No.
Please say or enter the 10-digit phone number associated with your account.
817-938-2232.
I heard 817-938-2232. Is that correct?
Yes.
For security reasons, please say or enter your house number. For example, if your address is 555 Main Street, Apartment 7, you can say 555. If you don't know it, please say, I don't know it.
8373.
You're reporting an outage for house number 8373. Is that correct?
Yes.
Please wait while I'm looking up this account. You've reported a power outage at 8373 Crescent Road. Smart Action crews will be dispatched shortly to safely restore power as quickly as possible. You can visit smartactionenergy.com/information for more information. Thank you for calling Smart Action Energy. Goodbye.